Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. This video is from Pam's Facebook group called Bead Temptation. She had a sale last month, so I bought some stuff, and you know, with the post office doing its thing, it just showed up today and she mailed it over 2 weeks ago. So, but I was super patient and I'm very happy I waited. I'm seeing some cute stuff. And the cool thing is about waiting that long, you don't remember what you bought. So first things first, I'm just gonna grab a couple things. She has a packing list in here, but I'm just going to kind of guess which ones these things are. All right, so, the numbers are on here. Okay, so this was GO123, 50 bead caps. It was $1.50 for these. I have so many bead caps. Hopefully I'll never run out, but I can kind of remember which ones I have and which ones I don't when I see them, so I try to grab ones I haven't seen or don't have. And Pam usually has some really nice bead caps in her group. Sorry, I'm trying to get it flipped over here. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Like those. Of course, I spilled them all over the place. So we'll push those out of the screen. I think there's a little freebie in here too. So let's see what that was. Ooh, some more bead caps. I love these. I ordered these from her before. Ooh, and we've got some cute Christmas beads. So I like these bead caps. I haven't used them in anything yet, I don't think, but I really like them. I'll just add that to my stash. Some really pretty snowflakes. I don't have any snowflakes that look like that. They're so pretty. These are really nice. Thanks, Pam. And some cute trees. Very cute. I don't think I have them in that color. And then we have some printed porcelain beads. Or glass. I don't know if these are porcelain or glass. Actually, I think they're glass. I don't know if you can hear it, but Miss Goldie is running into the room. Hi, Goldie. We have a Christmas tree and a snowflake. Those are very cool. Thanks, Pam. Put those away. Ooh, those same printed beads. Yeah, glass with metallic print. So I got one pack of reindeer. I think they were $2.50 each. Does this say on here? Yeah. So that's so cute. I think, how many is it? 20 pieces. Those are really cute. I love those. Maybe we'll make some earrings before the end of the video. And then before I make the earrings, I will announce the winner from my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. It's pretty late. I haven't done that, but the giveaway ended on Tuesday the 15th. Today's the 19th. So I will be happy to tell you guys that in a little bit. Now, these are like faux cinnabar. And 20 pieces. Let's see. For $3. I don't have a lot of cinnabar. And I know real cinnabar is toxic, but I love the look. I love the look. So, really pretty. Love those. I think these are 10 millimeter, probably 10 millimeter. Next we have links, 8 pieces, $1.75. They're gold. These are really cool. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do with them, but you could, instead of just using them as a link, you could wire wrap a bead into the center of it using the 2 holes on the other sides. Of course, I just put away all my 10 millimeter beads. Hold on a second. Not that I would use this bead. Okay, you'd want to use an 8 millimeter bead, but you could put a bead in the middle and then wire wrap it to the sides. That'd be cool. I like those. Pam usually has a nice assortment of cool metal items. She has albums that you can go through on her site. 6 circle charms. This was $1. This was probably one of her sale items. These are really cool. They look like toggles, and I actually would probably use them somehow on a bracelet as a closure. These are really neat, and they're double-sided. So cool. Put those off to the side. We have stainless pear. This was $1. Or is this the pair? I think so. So I don't have a lot of the stuff, and the stuff that I have gotten is from Pam. They're really pretty. I thought these looked like little wings. Oh no, this one's broken. But you know what? I can live with it. There, you can barely tell. So they're very delicate. And this one's more purple. What if we flip this one over? Oh yeah, more purple on one side. And this one's more yellow on this side. So those are really cool. They're perfect for earrings. Here's another one of those metal printed beads. I got the blue, are they snowflakes? No, just like little stars. These are so cool. I love these. Very neat. And then I think I bought Buddha ones from her last time I ordered too. Some more links, but these are circles. Love that. You don't have to keep it this way. You could put patina in there, you could put faux enamel in there, anything. Change them up. And then looks like last but not least, these awesome shells. These are fun. I love these. These are like faux hematite. It says 11 pieces shell metallic glass, 2 pieces. So I think these were, or 2 sets. So I think I got 2 sets and they were $2 each. These are really cool. These are better than I thought they would be. Actually, everything's better than I thought it would be. So thank you so much, Pam. I'm going to pause and I will show you the winner of the Zuni Bear. Here it is. It's not finished. Still, I have to finish it. And it's going to be a bracelet bar and it'll be glossy. And then I'll also have some matching beads along with it to make a kit for a bracelet. So the winner is... Congratulations, Deanne. I'm so excited that somebody from my group won. If you guys don't know, I have a bead group. Please join. Stay tuned. I'm going to make a pair of earrings, and then, of course, I'll show you Goldie. Okay, we're actually going to make 2 pairs of earrings. The first is going to be a gold pair, and then the second will be a silver pair. I grabbed one of the faux cinnabar beads, a wreath charm. Unfortunately, I only have 1 wreath charm. Must have put the coordinating one on a bracelet and sold it or gave it away. So I'm going to have to order more wreath charms because this is really nice. It's double-sided. And I maybe got these from dollarbead.com. I'm not sure. A check glass tree, Christmas tree from Bead Box Bargains. Of course, this is from Pam. And so are these bead caps. So I'm going to grab a bead cap, slide it on my head pin or my eye pin, the cinnabar bead, and then another bead cap, and I'm just going to make a link. Grab my nippers, whatever you want to call them. Call them something different every day. Trim that down, and I'm going to make another loop so it turns it into a link. Do that as tight as possible. And then I'm going to grab my other eye pin, grab my tree, and then grab my little red bicone. And so it's like that. And I'm going to make another link. And I'm not wire wrapping these, I'm just making simple loops. Okay, now I'm going to Which one? Okay, so I'll put the bigger loop on the bottom to hang around the wreath. These are just simple fun. If you want to go and make a bunch of earrings at a time, these are the best earrings to do. Just the ones that are quick links. And since I don't really make or wear earrings, I like simple earrings when I'm making them. Now, if I was going to make a crazy pair of earrings, I'd want to keep them. All right, so there's our first pair. Isn't that cute? I just love it. I love dangly, like crazy Christmas earrings. It's the only time of the year. Well, it's not the only time of the year that it's acceptable to wear crazy earrings, but people almost expect it of you. I love these. These are almost like ugly Christmas sweater earrings. So there's the first one. Next, we're going to do something really similar, but with silver. I wanted to use the reindeer beads. So I'm going to grab, I just had these silver bead caps, put it on an eye pin. My hand's so dirty. And put on my reindeer bead, put on another bead cap. And then I have these matte Mystic Crystal color from Bargain Bead Box. So I'm going to slide one of those on. It matches the deer. And then I have one of these snowflakes. I use these in another pair of crazy earrings that I made with Heidi's beads. And then I'm going to slide that guy on there. There we go. There's the top part of our earring. Sure, you guys have noticed I haven't had a video out in a few days. Even just unboxing videos, I just haven't been able to make myself do them. So I have like a bunch of packages I haven't even opened in my studio because I've just been so overwhelmed with work and other things. But hopefully by making this video, just doing it, I was able to get my mojo back. So then underneath that guy, I'm going to hang a deer. It's double-sided. So we'll just open our loop on the bottom. Go this way. Close that. And there's our second pair. Sorry, my hands are so rough right now. So there is our second pair. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Aww, those make me want to wear earrings. But they hurt my ears so bad. And then here's our first pair. Well, first single because I only have one of those guys. But I love both pairs. Thank you, Pam. I am in love with the beads that I bought from you and the ones that you sent. Everybody check out her Facebook group called Bead Temptation. I'll leave a link below. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And I hope you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.